this is the actual answer. And so after this step, you actually pretty much repeat every step that I used in the last equation. I mean, in the last problem. So in reality, now all I need to do is use this number, which is 2,910 grams, which I got, and multiply it by the actual. First, the H2O would be an example. Multiply this times. Start counting. Times the percent of the water, which is 16.33 16.33 grams divided by 100, and my answer would be 275.2 grams. Oops, 275.2 grams. And so for the sodium hydroxide, it would be the same thing, except that it would be a different percent. It would be 29. Yep, like this, grams times this 83.66 over 100. So it would cancel out, and so the answer for this one would actually end up being, for the sodium hydroxide, would end up being 2,434.5 of the number I know. And so you use these numbers for the next step, which is, you use numbers for the next step, which is pretty much to just calculate the moles of the sodium hydroxide and the H2O. So it would end up being, for H2O, the numbers would be 475.2 grams times 1 mole of H2O, which is actually just 18. And the answer would be, it would be 26.4 grams, not moles, of H2O. Yeah, you know how it works. So sodium hydroxide would be different. That would be equaling to the numbers would be 2,434.5 grams times 1 mole of NH, 1 mole, so they would cancel out. NaOH. Over 40 grams, which is a molar mass. That would end up being 60.86. So this will be my moles. And so the same process would be the next one that I did before, which is the last step, which is to turn this into actual molarity, which is M equals moles of the solute, over liters of the solution, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, moles of the solute over moles liters of the solution. So the equations would be, for the H2O would be equal for H2O, it would be equaling 26.4 moles over 1 liter, which would just give me 26.4 as my molarity, which in the units would actually be moles over liters. 26.4, and for my sodium hydroxide, it would be same process, 60.86 over 1 liter, which really makes sense because it's the actual one that has the higher mass. Ugly handwriting. I hate it. Yeah, you cannot. I don't think you can see that one, but yes, it's 60.86 is my final answer. So that's how you pretty much solve it for a more complicated one. And so, yeah, I guess this is just it. I mean, the same process can be applied for just any other problem. And yeah, it's kind of simple, but at the same time, you just gotta think of the process of taking out the units. Thank you.